If your dishwasher isn't smelling as fresh as it used to, or if dishes aren't coming out as clean as you'd like, it's time to give it a proper cleaning. Over time, bits of food, grease, and soap residue can build up inside, impacting both the cleanliness of your dishes and the machine's performance. Fortunately, I'm here to show you how to clean dishwasher with vinegar, a simple, effective, and affordable way to get your dishwasher back in shape. Start by emptying your dishwasher completely, making sure there are no stray utensils or dishes left inside. Cleaning it out is much easier without anything in the way. Now, to tackle the buildup, we'll be using distilled white vinegar. Vinegar is a natural cleaning agent that breaks down grease and grime, and it's also safe to use in your dishwasher. The first step in how to clean dishwasher with vinegar is to place a cup of it on the top rack of your empty dishwasher. You can pour the vinegar into a dishwasher safe cup or small bowl, making sure it's stable and won't tip over during the cycle. Once it's in place, set your dishwasher to run a hot water cycle. The hot water, combined with the vinegar, will break down any food particles, soap scum, and odors lingering inside the machine. The vinegar will work its way through the entire dishwasher, cleaning the walls, racks, and spray arms. Once the cycle is complete, take a moment to inspect the interior of the dishwasher. Pay close attention to the bottom area, where debris tends to settle around the drain. If you spot any remaining food bits, wipe them out with a paper towel or sponge. Sometimes, a soft brush can be helpful for scrubbing away any stubborn grime. For a final touch in how to clean dishwasher with vinegar, consider running one more hot cycle, but this time, sprinkle a cup of baking soda across the bottom of the dishwasher before starting. This step is optional, but it helps neutralize any remaining odors and gives an extra boost to your cleaning efforts. The baking soda also leaves a pleasant freshness behind. To keep your dishwasher performing well, it's a good idea to repeat this cleaning process every month. Regular maintenance will prevent major buildup, ensuring your machine stays in great working order and that every load comes out sparkling clean. Now that you know how to clean dishwasher with vinegar, you'll have a simple solution whenever your dishwasher needs a freshening up. Remember, regular cleanings can make a huge difference in both the performance and lifespan of your dishwasher. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the process, don't hesitate to reach out for more advice. Happy cleaning!